So some things that we've learned in the last 10 to 12 years about unconscious bias, which is our passion and the purpose of this call, is that your biases have been created, and so have mine, from that life we've lived. What my dad told me about the color pink, what my dad told me about those neighbors that moved in down the street in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania, who didn't look like us. All those early messages, plus all the jokes I've ever heard, sit in my mind and form those implicit associations, Nike Just Do It, that I've mentioned before. So that's why we don't see the world as it is. We see it through the lens of our biases, our filters, and our judgments. Bias is a natural inclination. So this is a natural part of being a human. Our reptilian brain, our caveman or cavewoman brain, is designed to keep us safe. So we're sorting data really quick and making judgments about comfort level, lack of comfort, fear, acceptance, and all of those are based on that background. So it's a natural inclination. We all have biases, and the goal that we're going to have, I'll share in a minute, is to shine a light on them and manage them. When you and I are busy and distracted and multitasking, and we haven't slept enough and we haven't eaten enough good food, when we're anxious, there's no way that we can manage our biases. The two parts of the brain that we're going to talk about in a minute are at war. So I just described your life as a salesperson or as a member of the Heartland Network or a member of Global Payments' broader family. You're always busy, you're always distracted, you're always multitasking. So this isn't easy to slow down and push the pause button and ask ourselves, when we're making a decision about anything related to people, have we taken into account that we might be skewing toward people that we're more familiar with, people that are that look more like us? And that's the whole goal of what we've been doing with Global Payments for the last year and a half, is to develop that EQ muscle to be able to do that better.